The Speaker of the House of Rep, Tajuddin Abbas, tok say the investigation wey dey go on top how dem take use take-off grants, corner money and other intervention money wey government give different institutions na correct step to make sure say everything dey transparent and accountable for Nigeria public money matter. The Speaker yarn dis one during the opening of the hearing wey dem hold on Thursday. E come tok say the House dey believe well for the special committee wey dey handle the matter, say dem go fit find the real truth come out and make sure say dem use government money for wetin dem plan am for.
Our overall goal is to promote good governance, optimize public resource utilization, enhance accountability in government business, and equally strengthen our democracy. In conclusion, I must reiterate that the purpose of the special investigative hearing is to improve transparency in governance as one of the fundamental tenets of democracy, enhance clarity on take-off grants, bailout funds, and interventions and other allocations, as well as the utilization processes, strengthen accountability, promote efficient and optimal utilization of public resources for the benefit of all Nigerians, and ultimately identify areas for improvement and recommend corrective measures.
It is imperative that we thoroughly investigate how these funds have been utilized, ensuring that every naira spent is accounted for and that has truly benefited our citizens. Therefore, I would like to urge heads of agencies and organizations present today to provide truthful and accurate information to this committee in order to enable us carry our work. The hearing is not a witch-hunting exercise. Rather, it is an opportunity for all stakeholders to come together in the spirit of cooperation. I assure all participants that we are committed to a fair hearing and respectful dialogue through this process. Therefore, I want to emphasize that going forward, anyone considered relevant in our inquiries, whether retired, still in service, may be invited to appear before this committee to offer clarification.
But particularly as per the Secretariat, the format of presentation simplifies the analysis of the presentation. What we have here, we have like three issues. We have bailout, we have take-off grant, we have intervention funds. So if the Office of the Accountant General can get a format reporting from the Secretariat, the amount, each segmented, take-off grant separate, bailout separate, intervention fund separate, and then it should come in 2015, 16 to the end. And it should have serial number 1, the purpose, the amount. So that's how the format should emanate from the Secretariat. So from there, by the time we get this document, we'll now sit down and analyze them. By the time we analyze them, we'll now fix a date for a particular MDA to come forward and make clarifications. Through that analysis, we'll come up with questions that will be raised and documentation that could be submitted by the agencies being in question.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ohifemi Onosinwa, TMC News.